how to use Gemini for email writing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Google Gemini to write professional, clear, and ready to send emails in just a few seconds. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If email writing stresses you out, this video is going to make your life a lot easier. So let's begin. Open up your Google Gemini app and then go to the Ask Gemini option. And here, to write a new email, you can just give a prompt that says, write an email to my teacher explaining why I need extra time for my assignment. So you can give a clear prompt because prompt determines how you get your draft. So you can just send it and then Gemini will give you your email in just a few seconds. So you can see email draft assignment extension request. Just open it up and this is how it looks like. However, if you want to change and specify the tone, like you want to make it more formal or make it more friendly, then you can just ask it to do it. You can just write, make it more formal and then send it. So, uh, as you can see, Gemini can definitely make it more formal and academic for you. So, you can ask to rewrite the email. And then if you have already written an email but you want to make it clearer or more professional, then you can simply just paste the content that you have written and then ask Gemini to clean up the formatting, fix the grammar, and make it sound better. So you can even tap on sources and then it will give you the sources that you have uploaded. And then if you're not sure how to structure your email, you can even ask to give Gemini various email formats and you can choose from the one that you like. And that's it. That's how you can use Gemini to write any kind of email quickly and professionally. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Gemini tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.